Welcome to my channel. Let's see where Bank Nifty will move tomorrow, what strategy we need to apply, and what we can expect from the market. Friends, tomorrow is a budget. We know that the market can rally either side. If the benefits are favoring the market might move on the higher side. If there is a lot of taxation, the market might go at a lower levels. So everything will be decided after 11 o'clock itself. So please don't execute any of the trade before 11. So once the budget starts, so after 11, by seeing the price action, I explained the strategy video. So you can watch the strategy video, and basis on that you can execute your positions. If any chance, if I get, I'll post at the Telegram channel. You can see those calls and you can trade accordingly. Friends, today this morning I gave you a call somewhere at these levels to buy you the calls. The reason was there was a V reversal. So I thought like the market might cross these levels and it might go at a higher levels and it might sustain somewhere like 38,500, as 38,500 was acting as a resistance. So I was expecting this move this early in the morning, so I said you to buy the calls. But as soon as it came at a lower levels, I thought no, the stop loss is getting triggered, so it is better to get out of the position. And later somewhere here I gave you the put options, and the put options gave very good profits for us. I gave you a call in Nifty as well. The Nifty was outperforming rather than the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty was falling and the Nifty was outperforming, but the problem went was like there was too much of a back bidding. So based on that, it triggered our stop loss and later it got broke out, and it went to our target of around 300. Well, in the Bank Nifty, as you can notice, like there was too much of volatility. I mentioned this morning itself there will be too much of volatility in the market. As you can notice, there was a quick sell off in the morning and later completely it got recovered and later it went into a sideways mode. So at 1 o'clock I stopped giving the calls once I noticed here somewhere like the markets will be a completely volatile and a sideways. So I thought it's of no use. So I just closed my terminal and I came out. The reason was closing the terminal is like, as you can notice here at order flow, there's completely a balanced market. So balanced markets are like, just a second, the balanced markets are like, the balanced markets, you can notice like there is a equal amount of a buyers and sellers as well. So there's not much of an imbalance. There is the seller and the buyer are equal. So that means there is a balanced market. So balanced market usually they don't move on any of the side. So that was the reason why I stopped giving the calls. And on either side we have seen just a V reversal in the market and it just went into a sideways mode. At the closing basis, like there was a net amount of a negative delta, which was a little bit confusing for me as well. As you can notice, there was a negative delta which was coming and later the positive delta, later the negative delta, someone is selling and someone is buying, someone is selling and someone is buying. But overall net to net position, there was a little bit of a flat, not too much amount, like equal amount of buying and equal amount of selling took place in the market. So what we might expect for tomorrow's market. So I'll take you at a 15 minutes time frame. So in 15 minutes time frame, you can notice, first I'll take you at a daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, you can notice like there is an inside candle. There is an inside candle. So today they formed an inside candle. So what does the inside candle says like? Inside candle says like, if this swing crosses, there will be a big rally on the higher levels. If this low crosses, we might see a flush at a lower levels. So the market is very simple. As soon as the market crosses 38,200, we'll be looking to buy the market and we'll be targeting up until 38,800 and 39,000 as well. So tomorrow itself we might even see like 39,000 if the market is favoring, if the budget is favoring to the banking stocks. If the budget is favoring to the banking stocks, we might see 1,000 points rally at a higher levels. If there is lot of NPAs, lot of taxation, lot of bad loans coming to the banks, so we might see this swing crossing 37,600 and we might see the flush to 37,000 levels, or it might even go further down. So the market is very simple. As soon as the 38,200 cross, we'll be looking to buy the market, and we'll be looking to buy only after 11 o'clock itself. So don't position anything before 11 o'clock. There will be too much volatile in the market. Everyone wants to get into the same position where you want to enter into the market. Everyone want to position themselves before you enter into the market. So there will be a lot of volatility in the market. Let the volatility drops and let us get a clear indication. Then we'll execute a trade and we'll target either on the higher side or lower levels. I'll keep updating at a Telegram channel. Please do subscribe my Telegram channel. I'll update you with more and more learning videos as well at this channel. But tomorrow is a budget, so trade carefully as the premiums are extremely high. 100-200 points of a fall is like common in the Bank Nifty, and even in the Nifty I'm seeing like 50-60 points and 100 points falling is like it is becoming normal at this time of at this period. So nothing much to say even at a 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame. In the 15 minutes time frame as well, like it was a V reversal. This acted as a very good support. 37,600 acted as a very good support, and still like 38,100 is acting as a resistance. Let the market goes and sustains 38,200, then we'll be looking to buy the market. If we see a big gap up above 38,300, we'll be definitely looking to buy the market, because the people who have shorted here, their stop losses will be somewhere like 38, 400, 500, 600, and all the stop losses will get triggered and market will propel at a higher levels. If the market is opening a big gap down, we might see the people who know bought here, who want to hold their positions. So all the positions will get liquidated and the market might flush at a lower levels. So big gap down, we'll be looking to sell the market, because these people will be liquidating their positions and market might come down, and this will act as a good resistance for the Bank Nifty. As of now, the Nifty is looking very much strong. I think the Bank Nifty might also move at a higher levels. So let's wait and watch and see what will happen. If any news is favoring to any of the stocks or any of the banking sector, so definitely we might see 1,000 points rally in the Bank Nifty. Well, if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you so much.